Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Minds. My name is Asan Khurram and in this channel I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I also teach Tableau, a data visualization tool. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can plot a lollipop chart in Tableau. In order to do that, I will head towards the data plane and I will pick marking channel type dimension and I will place it on row shelf. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick total profit measure and I'm going to place it on column shelf. Once you've done that, you are again going to take the total profit measure and then place it on column shelf. Now we have two plots. The next step will be to go toward this capsule here. Click on drop down menu, then click on dual axis. After you have done that, what we are going to do first of all, we will go towards the ribbon and we will click on entire view. That been done. Now you on the mark side you see that we have sections. Okay, the first here section, it represents the first plot, this represents the second plot, and this represents all. From this is applicable to the both plots. So what the method we are going to use here is that we will convert one chart to a circle type and we will convert the other chart to a bar chart. So we by default right now we have both charts as bar charts. So I will go and click on second chart and change its value from bar to circle. Now that's good. Now we need to increase the size so it can take the shape of a lollipop. Okay, that being done. Now go towards the first chart and decrease the size of bar width. Now you can see that we have successfully plotted our lollipop chart. Now in order to give more context to the plot, what we can actually do, we can actually display the label amount of total profit that was being done by each marketing channel in this circle. So in order to do that, you need to go towards the chart that has been made by circle, which is the second, and then pick total profit measure and drag it on label card. Now you can see that it is showing the total value out of each marketing channel. Now you can see that we have two axes that show the same information. So we will get rid of the top axis by unchecking show header. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial have been helpful. I will catch you soon in the next video.